Right. So click on a mail and you can go into forms. Right. Then you can click on a blank quiz. So here you can give a title for that one. So let's say it's about computer. Sorry. Computer. Okay, it's about hardware. So you can give a description here. And then here you can type the first question. There are various question types you can have. So I will select the multiple choice, right? Then I can ask something like, what is sorry, the brain of the computer? Right, so then you can give some answers like RAM, ROM, CPU, uh, then what else? Or GPU, so something like this. Then, okay, then if you want it, you can have one more question, add question. But let's say you have similar kind of a question, rather than click over here, you can duplicate that question. So then next question, what is the temporary memory of the computer? So that's my second question. Maybe so I can, maybe if I want it, I can duplicate again. Can have what is the permanent memory permanent memory of the computer, so something like that. So I have now three questions. Then let's say I want to have different type of question. I can click over here, insert multiple choice. So let's say this is a short answer. Okay, how you protect your PC against viruses? Right, so that's a short answer. So so like that you can add all the questions. So if you want it, you can drag and move the question order. So like that option also there. Uh, then you can click on responses. So it will wait for responses. So so in that one nobody's send responses. So settings also various options available. So you can, if you want it, you can collect email address of responses, or you can ask them to restrict only one responses. So after the responding, you can change the you can make it to you can let it edit the responses. All these things are available. So various other options also available, like release grade immediate after instruction, later manual review, right? So various options are there. Here also you can save whatever things you did for this one. So then after doing this, you can mark the correct answers, like this one is the correct answer. So you can say how many points for this one. How many points? 1 point for this, done. This is the temporary memory of the computer, or this one. So you can say how you can click here, and you can say 1 point for this one. This one, permanent memory is wrong. You can give the number of marks, done. And the short answer, short answers we can't give an answer quickly, or we can give the number of points, but it won't automatically, we can't correct this one automatically, you need to manually go through. Right, so after doing this, you can send this one, click on send. Via emails, right? So if I have the list of emails, I can send it. So I don't have a list of emails, something. So I send it to myself via the email account. So click send. Oh, click send. So it will send to my email. So you can see not this. So it will come to me. Then I would be able to mark this one. Or I can click on a preview menu, other option. I can send it to anybody. I can go compose, paste it over somewhere here. I can paste it the link and send it to my recipients. So I'm still waiting for my mail. So let's go into my Yahoo account. So probably it will come to my Yahoo. Okay, that one came for my other account also. So there is a link. So I can click over here. Then I can mark it. So I can type my email. So it will ask in my email address for that one. So I can mark it. What is the temporary memory, or that one is a RAM? What is the permanent memory of the computer? So that one is a ROM. So so I'll put some answer. Then I can submit. So I can view the score also. This is wrong. This is so. What is the temporary? No, this is correct. I think I didn't mark it correctly, this one. So it will list, it will give you the marks. So straight away you can see the marks also. Right now you can see the under responses, you can see one person already responses and his marks, and you know who the responder and his marks also. And it will show everything in a graph, how the students are responding. So so let's go into questions. Right. So there's a mail for my yeah, that one still didn't receive. So I think it will take even more time. So you can see, for as a teacher, this is something really handy. So you can create some, like after each video session, you can create a quiz and send it to the student, and then you can mark the, maybe best is to use MCQs. You can create 40 MCQs and send it to student, and they can mark it, and students straight away they can see whether they answer it correctly or not. Then later you can have Zoom discussion or Google Meet discussion or Microsoft Teams discussion. Discuss about the things students don't understand, because by looking through these things, we by looking at the responses, we can get some idea how the students are faring in each subject, like how many people manage to answer correctly for this subject, how many people manage to answer for this subject. So you know what are the students' weak point, and you can have nice discussion with the students. Right, so that's how we can use Google Forms, not only for teaching. Sometimes when you're doing research, you want to collect data. That's also very useful, this thing called Google Forms.